welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a runway show, so I'm going to be able to take you guys behind the scenes, watch me get my hair and makeup done, the whole show, the whole food gala. So it'll be a fun day and I'm so excited. Just arrived, so now we're gonna put on our heels and we're gonna walk down the runway and do a few practice runs so that we know what we're doing for the show, just to get a little bit more comfortable. So we're gonna do that for about an hour, and then we're gonna put on our dresses and walk in the dresses and the heels. So yeah, I just gotta get ready and get comfortable. And go.
What is happening? How are you feeling right now?
I'm excited. Because I have
It's
like a got flames, but I know how to do that. Makeup artists. We got beautiful friends.
Yes, everybody's slaying.
Calling your name. Love is forever. Love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather. Light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
Hello, you look beautiful! So we are with all these planes and we all got our hair and makeup done. Got some beautiful dresses, beautiful ladies. Oh my god. Alright, so it's almost showtime and we're all getting in line. I have my second dress in my hand, so basically what I'm going to have to do is go through the runway, get off, change, and then get back on the runway. So it'll be really fun, it'll be really fast paced, and I'm really excited to do it. finished at the runway show and we decided to walk over to the Tampa International Airport Mall outdoor
No,
area.
that's not what it's called.
Oh.
International Plaza.
We're at the Tampa
Yeah.
International Plaza
Yeah.
because it's really pretty at night.
Yeah.
And apparently he said they have fake snow, but I told him you could go to Ohio and see real snow.
Oh, true. Yeah.
So basically we're just gonna walk around the shopping center a little bit and then we're going to go home and edit stuff like always. And that's about it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during my runway show. Say bye. He's not listening. Bye everyone!